Always look intimidating so you avoid makeup? The real issue is your face shape. A face shape eye makeup guide plus product recs. If you have a hexagonal face, stay tuned till the end. Hexagonal faces have prominent cheekbones and jawline, giving an overall angular look. The cheekbone area spreads wider than forehead and chin, so the face can look diamond-shaped. The charm is in the strong urban sophistication. A famous example of this type is TWICE's Momo, the representative beauty of hexagonal faces. Actress Chun Woo-hee too is loved for her unique face and acting. Amiovivi's Gone also is getting attention for her elegant refinement. Lastly, actress Bae Doona, receiving love calls worldwide for her elegance and androgynous charm. Even though it's such a charming face shape, if the angles are overemphasized, the impression can become too intense. So the key to makeup is curves that soften the angles. The first step is eyebrows. For hexagonal faces, a gentle arch is the best. The soft arch curve catches the eye naturally, adding softness to the entire face. Magic. Lines align to the inner corner, iris edge, and outer corner. Just imagine connecting them with a gentle curve. Don't let the brow tail drop too low, and pay attention to the arch peak curve. A thickness that doesn't exceed the pupil size is most natural approximately. Too thin and the cheekbones stand out more, and too thick looks heavy. With a light brown shadow, lightest at the front, gradually darkening toward the tail. Finally, brush through with a spoolie for a natural finish. On the flip side, avoid straight brows. When angular face lines meet straight lines, only the harsh lines stand out, which can give a masculine impression. The second step is eyeliner. For hexagonal faces, rounded eyeliner is the best. Start from the center of the pupil. Draw thin lines, but make this part slightly thicker. The line won't stand out, but eyes look rounder and bigger. The key here is not to sharpen the tip like regular eyeliner. Slightly rounding the tip is the key point. Length should be about 2 to 3 millimeters, not far beyond the triangle zone. If rounded eyeliner is too hard, try pencil or shadow. The tail naturally smudges slightly, making it easier to draw. Add brown tones and you get a clean, pure vibe too. Then sharp upturned eyeliner should be avoided, right? Not only does it make the impression stronger with angular face lines, the chic vibe can actually feel too sharp. Too thick eyeliner also emphasizes lines, so be careful. The third step is eyeshadow. Start with colors that aren't too strong, nude beige or coral, and apply thinly across the entire lid. Warm and subtle tones create a soft impression. Next, with a shade one tone darker, nude brown or rose brown, lightly sweep the inner corner, outer corner, and agiosal. If you naturally smudge a deep brown point color into the eyeliner, rounded dimension emerges, neutralizing the strong impression. Add a peach cream or brown gold highlighter. Dab it on the center of the lid and agiosal. Elegant, rounded eyes. Complete? But be careful not to go too dark from shadow greed, because visible edges make the eyes look heavy. Keep it light and thin. Smudge with a brush frequently. The fourth and final step is mascara. Since eyelashes themselves carry a strong line impression, hexagonal faces must go natural and subtle. First, make the curl a gentle C curl. Clamp lashes several times with a curler. If you use brown or gray mascara here, you get both softness and a natural look like your own lashes. Apply a small amount of mascara like lightly combing, and focus the curl at the center rather than the outer corner. Since the gaze follows along the lengthened lashes, hexagonal faces that already look wide due to cheekbones and jaw need to direct the gaze vertically for better balance. Lower lashes get the same treatment. Just lightly emphasize the center curl naturally. In summary, hexagonal face eye makeup is brows and eyeliner. Bring out rounded curves. Eyeshadow and mascara. Bring out subtle naturalness. Just focusing on curved lines and soft colors will boost your makeup game. How was it? Was today's video helpful? Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to catch the next beauty info right away. Curious about other face shapes or beauty guides? Let us know in the comments.